Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean and decorate with me video for fall, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So the craft room wasn't even that messy when I filmed this, but there was a few things on the floor that needed to be organized and a few things here and there that needed to be decluttered. But what really needed to happen in this space was a deep clean. So you're going to see that here. This is also a family edition. All three of my children will be making an appearance as I go ahead and clean the craft room. So here is my 3-year-old Liam and my baby girl Avery, who is almost 8 months old, having fun with me in here while I get the craft space done. So just going ahead and sweeping the floor. I didn't include a lot of the footage for you just because there was a lot of deep cleaning that needed to get done. And I think I lost some of the footage here and there as the kiddos were in here with me while I was trying to get this done. And wanted to switch it up and just share with you a little bit. So after I swept the floor, I'm going to go ahead and steam mop. The floor gets pretty sticky and dusty and all of that stuff from my kids being in here and crafting, and me as well. So Riley was helping me there get the water, and the kids were helping me here and there take things out of the craft room that didn't need to be there. So also to share the decorations with you, because I've been sharing with you the decorations the past couple of months, I decided to just show you at the end what I did. Sometimes when I'm filming the decorations, you're always seeing my back and you're not seeing what I'm doing anyways. So I decided that I would just show you at the end how it looks in here after the cleaning and give you some motivation to get your craft rooms into a better place for your crafting and just refresh them. And maybe your craft room needs a deep clean like mine. Maybe it needs a mop or a vacuum, or you need to wipe down your drawers. I did go ahead and wipe down the drawers of my Alex drawers here from IKEA. They had paint on them and different things, so I'll show you at the end them all clean. I don't show you the messy, but you can imagine if you've been watching my videos here, my cleaning videos, you will know how messy those drawers can get, especially with my son's desk. And that is Riley there, my biggest boy. He's having a dance party, collecting his melting beads that he sees on the floor as I steam mop. And yeah, we have a lot of fun. So here is the clean space. Super clean, super motivating just to see this part, I think. A clean space is a great space, and yes, it's okay to get it messy. It's okay. Messy creativeness. The mess is part of the process, and that is okay, but it is so nice to walk into a clean, fresh craft room, and it is so motivating to get another craft project done. So then I will go ahead and show you the decorations in a little bit here. So this is the last video you're actually going to see in this craft room. We decided to move our daughter into this room to give her her own space. So I've been in this craft room for a little bit over a year, and it has been great, but Avery needed her own space, and so our craft room is now in a part of our living room and a little bit in my bedroom. So I will go ahead and share that with you over the next few months and probably do a little bit of decorating in that space for Christmas. So stay tuned for that. It's a bittersweet, but I'm excited for her to have her own space, and it's been really nice to have the crafting space in the living room as well. I've been getting a lot of content film for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. Here is a little bit of our dance party, and we're going to show you the decorations. So I decided to decorate with an apple theme here in the craft room. I usually decorate with pumpkins, but I decided to switch it up and do something different here in the craft room. And so got some different pieces from Dollarama and Dollar Tree and a few other places and used some stuff in my house. Welcome to our dance party. So I also used some scrapbook paper from Michaels. I like to use scrapbook paper in my decor, and I'll be sharing a video here soon on my channel decorating with scrapbook paper in the other places in my house. I have been doing that for a few years now, so I will definitely be sharing that video soon here on my channel. So these are our decorations, and we're just going to show you them, and I will give you a close-up of those. I really like how this turned out, and it's definitely a different look, but I love it. My children and I really love apples, and so it was really fun to include this in the space for them. So that is going to finish off the video. I hope this motivated you. I hope this inspired you to get your craft space looking fresh, looking great for lots more crafting. So happy crafting. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I've got more fall videos coming, and I will be starting my Christmas card series very soon. Bye for now. With you.